Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Might look like the last one for this time, but it's not. It's just that UPS still haven't delivered the last pair from Nike. Cool box. So this is the Air Jordan 6 Toro Bravo.
Funky.
Or I don't even know what Nike called them themselves. It's just that people call all the red suede Jordans for Toro or Toro Bravo. And we all love red sneakers, red suede sneakers, especially me. I got a bunch of them, and yes, it's very sensitive, but it looks so good. It looks so good. And the model that is most famous for being of red suede are the Air Jordan 5 Red Toro, Toro Bravo, sorry. And I have never bought them because I dislike the nuance difference between the sole and the suede. And then they released just a couple of years ago, like 3 years ago or something, all red Air Jordan 5. Red suede, red sole, everything. And on the Toro Bravos, the sole is black. But these were all red. And that irritated me even more because the rubber part was one red. The sole, the suede part was one red. The plastic part was another red. So one pair of red shoes that are like three different colors of red, I didn't like that at all. But after that, I have regret so much not buying them or the Toro Bravos. So these I just had to have. And I absolutely like the sixes more than the fives. And yeah, I knew from the pictures they got some flaws. Glue residue, bunch of glue residue. Some marks on the suede. Come on. This is bad. And what I wanted to say is that red suede is so sensitive for everything. And the main part that are bad with red suede sneakers is that they quickly look so pale, which you can probably see already here, that here we have one dark red and this is pale red. But yeah, cool shoe. I like Air Jordan 6. I like red sneakers. I like red suede sneakers. Too bad about the flaws. This hole on the side, what is that about? Do we have that on all the sixes? Looks kind of weird here. So yeah, the suede could have been better. This is absolutely not long hair suede, which I thought it would be, which I hoped it would be. This is sort of not numbuk. It's better than that. It is suede, but very short hair suede. And they look kind of bad actually. And in this case, even though I like the whole red sneakers, since it's not completely red, we have the black sole, with a bunch of marks. We could had a black Jumpman. That would in this case look better than the color matching Jumpman. Yeah, but I have the shoes. They will do for one time of usage. And now I'm just hungry. I'm going to go eat. Sort of disappointed on the shoes because of the glue residue and the marks. And that's too bad because once again, I like red sneakers. I love red suede sneakers, and I really like the Air Jordan 6. So 3 big positive points. And yeah, the red. I want to say the red of the sole isn't matching the red of the suede, but these marks just it irritates me so much. So this is it for this unboxing. Jordan brand, Nike, selling us very expensive sneakers, even more expensive now than like a couple of months ago. And the quality is bad like this. That is not okay.